Fasten your seatbelts, and away we go. Oh well, on with the show. Guess who?
Once upon a time, it's time to another cartoon on Halloween with Woody Woodpecker.
It's Halloween. Full moon will rise. All creatures wear their best disguise. Chirps of as the birds go to trick or treat.
Meeting the deadly things when you are alone in the wild world. Exploring along the wild world and the forest and meeting the ghost of the imagination and thrills in the mansion.
Les crapauds bodybuildés, ça vaut 1000.
Wait for me!
Visiting the crazy house to play the wacky games, wacky magic, and wacky drinks in the crazy house.
Desligue! Por favor, desligue! Desligue!
Olha, muita calma, papai.
But looking near, a gruesome beast is making plans for
Visiting the
his
castle
own
of Frankenstein with Woody Woodpecker and Egghead. The best moment to screaming and crying.
Vamos fazer as pazes e ser amigos. Tome essa maçãzinha bem gostosinha.
a scratch,
Obrigada.
a flash
Obrigada, pica-pau.
You can take the dangerous and fun surprise.
on Halloween.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.
The Wacky Halloween with Woody Woodpecker and Maribel, Tuesday, 31 October 2017, all day on Teletoon Plus and Space 2.
قناة شباب المستقبل